Welcome to Reviewsinsidetv. Today, we're taking a closer look at a smart home helper that promises to take a chunk of the work out of keeping your floors spotless. The iRobot Roomba Combo Robot Vacuum and Mop Y01110. This dual-purpose device vacuums and mops all in one pass, making it a tempting solution for anyone looking for a hands-off cleaning experience. Let's find out how well it performs across different surfaces, its standout features, and where it might fall short. The iRobot Roomba Combo isn't just another robotic vacuum. It's designed to be a complete cleaning solution for your home. With its 4-stage cleaning system, this robot vacuums and mops simultaneously, making it a versatile tool for multiple surface types. It has 3 levels of suction power and 3 distinct mopping water levels, allowing you to customize its performance based on the mess you're dealing with. This means it can tackle everything from light dust to stubborn dirt without needing you to constantly adjust settings. Smart navigation is another key feature, with the Roomba Combo using a methodical approach to clean in neat rows. This ensures that it doesn't miss a spot, efficiently covering the entire floor area. Plus, it has sensors that help it avoid falling down stairs or bumping into furniture, which is always a win for those with delicate spaces or homes with multiple levels. It can even get into tighter spots thanks to its sleek, low-profile design, effortlessly sliding under beds and sofas to capture dust and debris you might otherwise miss. Setting up the Roomba Combo is incredibly straightforward. Out of the box, it's ready to go in just a few minutes. After the initial setup, it connects to your 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi network, and you're all set to use the iRobot Home app. The app allows for custom scheduling, so you can choose to clean when you're not around, and it even gives you a clean map report, which shows exactly where the robot has cleaned. A convenient feature for those who want to keep track of their vacuuming efforts, especially when you're not home to supervise. The vacuum's mop function is designed to handle a variety of dirt types as well. Its built-in microfiber mop pad is washable and reusable up to 30 times, which is a nice eco-friendly touch. The mop has a micro pump to ensure consistent water flow, which keeps the pad evenly moist while cleaning. This is crucial for preventing puddles or streaks on your floors. Additionally, the 3 different water levels for mopping allow you to adjust for either light dusting or deeper cleaning, depending on the mess. Now, how does it perform in real-world use? The suction power is definitely solid for a robot vacuum, especially considering it's working in tandem with a mop. It's ideal for smaller debris like dust, crumbs, and pet hair, and the extra edge-sweeping brush is particularly effective at getting into corners and along baseboards. When it comes to more substantial dirt or debris, it's best used on hard floors or low-pile carpet, as its suction power may struggle on deeper, high-pile rugs. One of the most appreciated features is its spot cleaning functionality. If you notice a particularly dirty patch, you can command the Roomba to spin in place for up to 2 minutes to focus on that specific area. This works wonders for those areas that seem to gather extra dirt, such as entryways or high-traffic zones. The ability to customize suction and water flow is a thoughtful touch, letting you adapt the cleaning process to the needs of your home. Plus, the fact that it automatically returns to its charging dock when the battery runs low is something that makes life a lot easier. No need to remember to charge it manually. However, while the iRobot Roomba Combo does offer impressive performance in many areas, it's not without its limitations. First, its ability to clean thick carpets may not meet the expectations of those with larger carpeted areas in their homes. For users with heavy-duty cleaning needs, especially on high-pile rugs, you might notice that it struggles to provide the same level of suction as a traditional upright vacuum. Also, the mopping function, while convenient, is not a substitute for deep scrubbing. It works well for light cleaning, like dusting off floors or mopping up small spills, but it won't be as effective for heavy-duty mopping tasks, especially in areas where stains have set in. When it comes to build quality, the iRobot Roomba Combo is solid, though some of the plastic parts, like the dustbin and mop tray, may feel a bit flimsy compared to more premium models. Nonetheless, it feels durable enough for everyday use, and the brush rolls are easy to clean, so pet hair won't get stuck and affect performance. In terms of value for money, this robot vacuum and mop combo fits in the mid-range price category for robotic vacuums. It's a great choice for people who want a convenient, automated cleaning solution that combines both vacuuming and mopping. While it does a solid job, especially on hard floors and light carpet cleaning, it's not necessarily the most powerful suction option on the market, and the mopping function isn't ideal for tough messes. For those looking for something more robust or specialized, you may want to consider other alternatives that focus solely on one function, but do it exceptionally well. If you're considering other models in the same price range, there are a few options to keep in mind. Some robotic vacuums focus solely on suction power, offering better performance on high-pile carpet and stronger cleaning on rugs. Additionally, there are models that offer more advanced smart features, such as improved mapping and better scheduling flexibility, though these often come at a higher price point. In terms of long-term reliability, the iRobot brand has a strong reputation for producing high-quality robot vacuums that tend to last. Maintenance is fairly simple, with the dustbin and mop pad requiring occasional cleaning. The sensors and brushes are durable, though regular maintenance is key to keeping everything running smoothly, especially if you have pets or a lot of debris. Customer support is generally well regarded with iRobot, as they are known for offering prompt responses and helpful troubleshooting. If you ever run into any issues, it's good to know that you have the backing of a reliable customer service team. To wrap things up, the iRobot Roomba Combo Robot Vacuum and Mop Y01110 is a great choice for those looking for a versatile, hands-off cleaning solution. It's perfect for homes with hard floors, low-pile carpets, and those looking to combine both vacuuming and mopping in one device. While it may not be the best choice for heavy-duty cleaning or high-pile carpet, it's a solid performer for everyday messes. For its price point, it offers a good balance of convenience, performance, and smart features. If you're looking for a simple, effective way to maintain cleanliness without lifting a finger, this could be the right fit for you. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check the comments box for the link to get your hands on this Roomba combo. If you already own one, let us know how it's been working for you, or drop any questions you might have. Goodbye till next time, and keep those floors sparkling!